deer field. That's private property. So, we'll grab a pick. Keep these out straight, that straight little one pick. And then the red toolbox bottom has like second, third door up right. Let's get this plow hooked up. Let's make sure this pump works for us. Put plow on. Just go turn on power and hit up. I don't know where all the pins are. It's been a while. Watching? You're good. Stop. Go down? No. Just leave it there. Dude, that thing has rang more today than it did yesterday. They did. And my phone just died. And it was at 100%. Phone call overload. It was like 9 in the morning. Yeah. Picked up $2,000 worth of work for a storm. There's a solid chance of like 6+, it seems like. Alright, let's find some pins. Yeah, I know. This bad boy dropped off. We're going to be giving her a test run this storm. See what she's got to offer. Never ran a push box before.
like we do this a lot and we don't actually get the end result of it, but we're preparing for a snowstorm. They're calling for 4 to 8 inches. Supposed to start here in the next 12 hours, so it's time to get ready, get geared up. We got one truck set up. We got the skid loader ready, as you saw there. We're borrowing that pusher box from a guy we're doing some subcontracting for. He just offered to lend it to us, and I said, heck yeah, we'll definitely try it out. So we'll be using that for the first time. I've never used a push box, so we'll see how we like that. We can weigh in on some different options there. But pretty much we're just getting all the plows ready, getting the spreaders ready. I'm gonna hook some vibrators up on the spreaders. Nick just ran into Dollar General to try to find some scoops for our salt. I guess he didn't find anything? No. So yeah, we're just gearing up, getting ready. So we'll show you guys what we got going on when we get back to the house. Got the plows out. One there. One there. Alright guys, so pretty much what we did today was get the snow plows out, get the salt spreaders out, and just get everything moving and working. We did have to run a few errands. As you saw, we got the skid steer staged and got the pusher box delivered. So we got all that ready, but basically we wanted to get everything out, get it moving. Prior to today, these snow plows have not touched pavement for like 31 or 32 months. It's been a long time since we plowed snow, and to be perfectly honest, this stuff had not been outside and working until today. So we were kind of scrambling. I was hoping to get a little bit more footage for this video, but it is what it is. This is all we could get, and you're going to be seeing a lot of the in-action footage coming up here in our next video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, we do appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let me know what you thought. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We're going to be here for a long time. We post a lot of lawn care, landscaping, snow plowing related stuff. So if you like anything of that sort or anything that you saw here today, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And now, I'm super excited to share this. Not trying to spoil anything, but I'm going to show you guys a little clip of what's coming up in our next video. Alright guys, it's about 12 o'clock. One truck, two truck. There's Ronnie, there's Nick. Just finished up. Let's see what we got here.